He must have printed all his plays on this.
Maria, that can't be Shakespeare's typewriter.
Why not?
Because Shakespeare didn't use a typewriter.
Didn't he?
No, of course he didn't. He was a very busy man. He didn't have time to sit in front of a typewriter all day. He probably used a tape recorder.
A tape recorder?
Yes, I can see him now. He must have sat on this chair, holding his microphone in his hand, saying to be or not to be.
What does that mean?
That is the question.
Look! What? It must be Shakespeare's television!
Shakespeare's television?
Yes, it must be. It's quite odd.
Shakespeare didn't have a television.
Why not?
Why not? Because he went to the theater every night. He didn't have time to sit at home watching television.
Oh, Sarah, what's that? I can hear something.